Hi, my name is Tamas Szirtes from SOA People, and I would like to talk about what is new in the RISE with SAP offering. So we all know that SAP announced RISE back in January, and since that there was a lot of interest on the market. We as partners, we got a lot of feedback, but also SAP. And based on that, SAP elaborated on this story, and at Sapphire now, so it's just some days ago, SAP announced new transformation packages. So in this video, I will talk about these transformation packages, what they are and what they mean for you. So what are these transformation packages? Let me start with the modular cloud ERP. Here the idea is that if you need an ERP solution, then you can compose it from different modules. Obviously, there is S/4HANA in the middle, that's still the main engine, but additionally, there is guided buying from Ariba. There is the Employee Central from SuccessFactors. There is the SAP Analytics Cloud, which is obviously the leading analytics solution from SAP. There is Identity Access Governance. And as a customer, you can even add your own component to the package. In that way, it becomes really flexible. Now, the second package is specific for employees. It's called RISE with SAP for HXM, so Human Experience Management. You could also call it HR. So the idea here is that you can pick different items all in the area of HXM and build the complete solution. So it's actually a very flexible package. And then finally, the third type of transformation packages are the industry packages. So SAP announced 5 of them at Sapphire for utilities, retail, consumer products, automotive, and industrial machinery and components. The idea of these industry packages that around the core S/4HANA, there are specific solutions and technologies which provide a certain industry functionality. So it's something like which we used to have as an industry solution. So with all these packages, how can you choose the right one? Which one do you need from all this? Now, if you would like to have S/4HANA and you would like to benefit from the business networks and also use the business technology platform, the underlying technology, then the core package, what was announced in January, of course, that's still available. If you would like to implement an end-to-end ERP covering finance, logistics, HR, and procurement, then the modular cloud ERP is the best starting point. If you are in one of the 5 industries which are covered, then of course you can benefit from the industry package. If you would like to have a big focus on the human aspect, so HR, then the RISE for HXM is the right starting point. Important to understand that you can still combine these things. So for example, if you are in the automotive industry and you would like to have an end-to-end ERP solution, then you can take the industry package for automotive and use also the modular cloud ERP. And finally, I would like to add that for this year, there are really interesting promotional discounts which you can benefit from. So SAP created new packages. So why are these all packages? What's the purpose of SAP with all this? Well, actually, it all comes down that SAP would like to help our customers to adopt innovation. And of course, these innovations nowadays come from S/4HANA and all the different business solutions, business networks around it. And cloud itself plays also an important role because cloud helps customers to benefit from new and frequent releases. So that's also part of how adoption can be increased. And apart from that, of course, SAP is also advising customers to look broader, so not just S4, but look at the broader portfolio of all the cloud solutions around S/4HANA. Finally, I would like to ask the question, what is our role as a partner, SOA People, in this RISE for SAP offering? Well, we are here, of course, to advise our customers. We are talking about business transformation. And to be honest, for me, business transformation is not just buying a bunch of SAP solutions, but it's really about translating business strategy to a technology roadmap. And that's what we do. We can also help you with these RISE packages. So which is the right package for you, how you combine them, and how you look at things beyond RISE. There are still options, other things than RISE. We, of course, as SOA People, we have IPs, which are can be added to these packages. We have, for example, Performer, which is a value management solution, very, very relevant for a business transformation journey. And we have specific industry add-ons like asset management or credit management. And finally, I would like to point out that we are here not just to advise and provide software, but we are here also to realize all that. So we have lots of experience with different types of projects, whether it's greenfield, brownfield, or any exotic combinations of this. We have many references in these areas. And finally, we have a very unique differentiator. We can do automatic conversion to S/4HANA. Now, with that, I would like to thank you for listening to me. Feel free to contact us if you have any specific questions.